Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, let us discuss about one more problem related to HRA. Mr. X resides in Chennai. So Mr. X is residing in Chennai. Chennai means 50% of the salary will be given as exemption, third exemption, and gets 40,000 per annum basic salary. So his basic salary is 40,000 plus DA. DA is 20% of his basic salary. Half of the DA enters into retirement benefits. So what are the total DA, DNS allowance is there? Half of the total DNS allowance enters into retirement benefits. He received 12,000 per annum as HRA. He pays 15,000 per annum as a house rent. Find out the taxable HRA. So first you have to draw a table with 3 columns. First write the actual HRA received. The actual HRA received is 12,000. Next, we have to give the exemption. We have 3 exemptions. Least of the following 3 exemptions will be exempted. The first exemption is actual HRA received. Actual HRA received is the first exemption. Second exemption is excess of rent paid over 10% of salary. Excess of rent paid over 10% of salary. So what is the rent paid? Rent paid is 15,000. So I will write 15,000 minus 10% of salary. So I need to find out the salary. So first I have to calculate the salary. So salary is equal to basic pay plus DNS allowance which is entering into retirement benefit. DNS allowance entering into retirement benefit plus DNS pay plus commission based on turnover. So basic pay they have given the question, it is 40,000. 40,000 is the basic pay plus DNS allowance. DNS allowance they have told 20% enters. So 40,000 into 20%. 20% of the basic pay is DA. In that half enters into retirement benefits. So into half, because half of that enters into retirement benefits plus DP you don't have and commission also you don't have. So I have written 0 and 0. So 40,000 plus 40,000 into 20% into 1 by 2 will be 4,000. If you add both, you will get the salary, that is 44,000. Now here what we want 10% of salary, 10% salary. So 10% of salary, that is 44,000 into 10%, it will be 4,400. So 15,000 minus 4,400 will be second exemption, that is 10,600. The third exemption, as it is at Chennai, we have to consider 50% of the salary. So total salary is 44,000. 44,000 into 50% will be 22,000. Now we have got the 3 exemptions. Out of 3 exemption, whichever is lesser will be given as exempted. So 12,000, 10,600 and 22,000. 10,600 is the least amount. So 10,600 will be given as exemption. So total HRA is 12,000. In that 10,600 you have got exemption. The remaining 1,400 rupees will be your taxable HRA. Remaining 1,400 is our taxable HRA. This is how you need to calculate taxable HRA. Hope you have understood how to calculate the taxable HRA. In my next video, I'll come back with some more problems related to taxable HRA.